get you a drink and slurp with me. Nobody will know. All right, so I need to put my Eye Renewal, which this is the L'Oreal Age Perfect Eye Renewal cream. You can get this at the grocery store, or I think I got this at Walgreens. I only do half a pump because I was doing a full pump, and it's actually too much. And so it comes up, I put it on these two fingers, and then I just do it. Whoops, I got a little too much on that side. There. I just rub it. And the reason I rub it, and people go, don't tug. I'm rubbing because I'm not tugging. Go up beside the eye to the crow's feet. Come back down, see it's still nice and smooth. As it starts drying out, I start patting because then I don't want to tug. But I feel like when you go horizontally, you're getting those horizontal wrinkles. Then I also go on my mouth with it because this is probably more concentrated than most. And as I pat it, because it's probably drying out a little bit now, then I go to the 11s, which is between your eyebrows. And then across the top here with any leftover. Excuse me, that was a little coffee burp. 2, 3. The last one was really big. Okay. Then I use Hydrogenius. This is also a L'Oreal product. And I use a full pump. I used to try to do a pump and a half, but I would go out on these two fingers. The only reason I don't do a pump and a half is what we've learned is this gel has incredible coverage. I don't need more than that. Because I'm not going under my eyes. And just really, this is for the face. And look how gel, I don't know if it's just the rubbing, causes my face to get red. I don't feel like it could be allergies because, you know, I'm not allergic yet. Like it's not swelling or anything like that. Maybe that's how it works. It plumps you up because you're allergic. No, I'm just kidding. It does not work like that. It's a really good moisturizer. I do like it. I did one day try this, and then later on I was rubbing my face and remember some little gels came up, or little like rubby things came up. So we'll see. How does this do? Y'all, I left my base brush somewhere. We've got so many brushes. I think I've got this. This is a buffing foundation brush. Chic foundation. Yes, this is the Chic It brushes from Ulta. This is the Chic set. I think it had this, and 2 others. This, the eyeshadow. This was a good set, y'all. What was the other? Yeah, this was a really good set because that is great for putting on both your highlighter and your crease. And then, oh no, this didn't come with that. See how it's glittery? That was the Luminous set. This is the Chic set. I got both of them. Mixed together, they're an incredible set. Okay, I'll put that back. But I need this. Okay. So, what foundation should we use? Let's use something. You know, I need to use up this Luminous Silk foundation by Giorgio Armani. And this is in color number 2. And it's a little pump. Let's shake it up good. Good, like we should. And this doesn't put out much. So I do, oops, there we go. Okay. I don't like that at all to be such a high end. I think it's because we're probably at the end. Maybe that's why. We'll give them the break. But about that much. And I start in the middle and go out, and then I come down this little streak runway here where I have a lot of H spots. Ah, I forgot to put my H spot stuff on. Oh well. And then go over the nose really, really well because it's the center of your face and what people are looking at while they're talking to you. So make sure you get around your nose very, very well. When you go underneath your nose, don't like get boogies on it. First of all, always blow your nose before so you don't have any boogies. My nose is running today, so that's just ironic as it can be. But anyway, just make sure some of the bristles brush by the holes like that. Why? Because you don't want a little ring of nothing, okay? And make sure you press in on the side so you get this little crease there. And on either side of your nose by your eyes. And then your chin. Alright, now we're going to smooth this out better. Go in the opposite direction. Come down on the chin again. On either side of the mouth. We'll go in again. go smooth out this section. Now this is I would say not a very good coverage. This is a light coverage. Now some of you, I shouldn't say not very good. It's light. And some of you say, well, Beth, I want light. So I like that. Okay. I'm with you. I kind of like medium. I don't like light because I've got age spots to cover up. But I don't like heavy because I don't want it to look so pasty. Not pasty color, pasty texture. Like cakey. Always drop your jaw like that and make sure you get that line and then blend it on down. Blend it on down. Just until it's gone. If you've got a good color match. Now I will tell you as you get older, this is not fun, ladies. This area right here, your décolleté, it gets redder. So I use just whatever's left on the brush and I just kind of, I don't put makeup there, but I just kind of, if you will, clean my brush off by just going back and forth. And it kind of probably deposits a little bit of whatever you had, and that does kind of cause a better blend. No kidding, as you get older, from about here, this skin right here down gets red and kind of crepey looking. It's not fun. You can have surgery done, but nothing else really going to help. I think Gold Bond makes, is that what it's called? Gold Bond makes a neck and chest cream that did help, like for deep wrinkles right there that you also do get. So I would recommend that one. That one's, but I don't know that it's going to make a huge difference. Sorry, y'all. My nose is running, and I don't want it running down my face while I'm talking to y'all. That would not be nice. Okay. Alright. I hate talking with no lipstick on, so I'm going to do that first real quick. Y'all know I use my Chanel. It's the Chanel Lip Intense, I think is the name of this, and it's in color Soft Rose, and that hair is stuck on my nail. Why is that nail stuck on my nail? I mean, hair stuck on my nail. Sometimes I'll look back at my videos. Sometimes I never look back, but sometimes when I do, I'll say things I'm like, did I not realize I said that? I bet y'all do too. So get a nice smooth line and buff it like that. Do it again. I'm going to go a little with my lips. I'm going to go a little over on purpose. And then I'm going to build a cupid's bow because I don't have one. There. See? It's just a little bit of a cupid's bow that I built. It's so hard to do your mouth when you don't have one. I think I'm more than make up for it with noise. Okay. I'm wondering how y'all did with daylight savings time. I did good. I was going to do my makeup in the car while my husband drove. And I was ready to go. And bless his heart, he was looking at the clocks downstairs. My husband's a church-going boy. He came up the stairs. He goes, "Babe, I'm so sorry." And I said, "What?" And because I was thinking, I wonder when he's coming up. I think he already showered. If he didn't, and about the time he comes up, he goes, "I was looking at the clocks downstairs. It's wrong. I didn't even take a shower." So some would say, well, and then I guess you just miss church. There's things you can do when you miss church. Number one, just go and grab a chapter of the Bible and read it. And ask the Holy Spirit to speak to you about the subject matter. There'll always be something in it for you. But also nowadays, you can stream online. So as soon as I get through with this, which I need to hurry, we're going to stream online to our church. So we can still have church. We just won't see everybody. But that's okay. Our church is kind of big, so there's only really... because we're in music, we know the music people, we know the pastor, and some of the people around the church, but most of the people we know are in our life group, and that is where you get friendships that are just so critical. So, no kidding, I text all day long to these ladies. So, one more thing I forgot to do. I am going to do a little under eye concealer, and this is one of those that I set aside that I've not used in a long time, and that is the Tarte Shape Tape in color Light. To me, this is very thick, so I'm just going to dot here and here and here. I'm not going to go up towards the eye like that. That's all. Now some people do the peacock tail. I always call it, they go straight up. We'll just do it. And then for me, I would do it wherever there are shadows, which is this right here. We call it the bulldog drop. And then on either side of your mouth, that drops. Some people do it here and down the nose to kind of, and some people will do it back here, which you can do that with powder. I don't want to overuse concealer, but I liked this okay. I wasn't like in love with it. It didn't like just like rock my world. So you can use your fingers. I think I will. I think I'll use my fingers. Alright, and so just, I always use my ring finger because it's the weakest. I guess your pinky's the absolute weakest, but it's not very big. So I'm just going to kind of blend this in. See, to me this is very heavy. And when you've got wrinkles, y'all, you don't want to use something heavy. I'm just going to come down the nose, but not underneath. You want that darker down the nose. And I'm going to just kind of blend out on the outer side of your nose, that little nostril hole. You do want a lighter color on that. It helps make your nose look smaller. Okay, I know we're going to make sure. God, this is so thick. I don't like it. This is probably why I didn't use it. Because when you have wrinkles, if you don't have wrinkles, you have nice smooth skin, this would probably be great. But look, this is like putting makeup on. Look how thick it is. So I would not have used this there if I had to do it again. Nor would I have used this much. Oh my gosh, do you see how thick that is? Okay, here's the bad thing about something thick. That will set in your wrinkles. I don't care if you powder it or not, especially if you're older. That's not a good idea. I am going to go ahead and use it as a eyeshadow primer because I've got so much of mine as well. Okay, definitely. Okay, this is when you want to use a separate finger. Okay, I'm going to use the middle finger now because we got to get some of this off. That is too much. And the fact that I can still smooth it out means that's too much. So first of all, I would have used like one dot